All right, so what's up, guys? New whip. I know, yeah, definitely. So, yeah, so the Suzuki dirt bike that we got, I think last video, that's gone now. So that's not here anymore. So what we got now is we got this blue EP. I know a lot of you guys saw in the comments, y'all were like, we don't care about the dirt bikes, but that's fine because I love dirt bikes. I love street bikes. That's just where it's at. But this is a car channel. I get it. So what we did is we picked up two cars. I got this car and another car up here on the lift, but we're not going to show y'all that yet because this car, we're going to build this one first. Then we're going to get to the next car. But so what we're going to do now is I just picked up this EP. It is a very clean one. This actually is a HFP edition EP3. So this is a very rare one for you guys that don't know about EPs or whatever. So this is the factory performance Honda one. So this is the real deal factory HFP car. It's got the front lip. It's missing the front lip because it was in a slight fender bender when I got it. But it's got the full body kit, the full HFP interior. Everything's done on it. So pretty clean car though, and it's in blue, which I don't know for EP guys, the blue is definitely the best color to get, just my opinion. I had the black one before, but I always wanted a blue one. So here's the new car, here's the new project. Plans. Let's check this thing out on the inside first because it's a little beat on the outside. It's got some pretty cool some wheels on it. Came with the wheels, came just as is. We just rolled it in the garage, so she's pretty fresh. But yeah, let's check the inside out. Let's check the motor out. Let's see what we got. Quick update. Yeah, this thing has a sunroof delete. This is how we purchased it. So we'll see what we do. All right, interior. Pretty gutted. No sunroof. Factory HFP interior though. Got a double dent in here. And this shifter we got a... Yeah, that's pretty bad. We got to fix that. We got to get a new shifter in here. Your shifter should not, that's not going into gear at all. So we need to fix that. But we got a door panel on this side. We don't have a door panel on this side. Don't know what happened there. Probably take that door panel off. We are completely gutted in the rear. So I don't think we're putting anything back in it. So we'll probably keep it gutted. But I mean, the seats are decent. Just need some cleaning. Other than that though, steering wheel's not ripped or anything, so we're missing the center console in this thing too. I don't know. I wanted to see what you guys think about it. Do you guys think we should take the shifter and mount it in the floor down here? That is another thing we could do. I didn't do that on my last EP. I left it on the dash because once you actually have an EP3, you'll get used to shifting on the dash and it's kind of cool. I know a lot of people are like, dash shifters, but drive an EP and then, talk bad about it because I talked bad about it, drove an EP3, owned an EP3, and then was like, this is actually pretty good. So what you guys let me know if you guys want to see the shifter in the floor on this one. I thought about it, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. But now I guess the next thing what we need to do, we've seen the outside of the car. She's a little beat. Inside is a little rough also. But let's check under the hood because that's where all the goods are, right? Boom. Check that A3 power, bro. Y'all ain't ever seen nothing like that before. I know. Not bad. Look at that red intake, bro. That thing give you about 20, 30 horsepower. I already know that's where it's at. So, all right, guys, the plans for this. What are you guys thinking? Turbo, all motor, boost? I don't know. So I've been thinking about it. When I got this car, I also picked up a motor too. So we're doing a little bit of 2 and 2s here. So I got the car, I got a K24, and I think we're going to boost it because I think the last time, what was it? I think, what did we do? Yeah, the silver Type R Civic, the Type R RSX we just did probably like a couple months ago. That had an all-motor K24 in it. We were going to race the RSX in that car, but then somebody brought that car, so that car's gone. But, so I think what we're going to do this time is K24, turbo, and maybe all-wheel drive. So let me know what you guys think about that. That's what I'm kind of leaning towards is K24 turbo all-wheel drive EP3 because I've never done an all-wheel drive EP3. I don't know anybody that has one. So maybe we could do that. I don't know. I guess we'll see. So that's kind of my plans for it right now. I don't Okay, well, I have most of the stuff to do the turbo kit. I have the K24. I don't have the all-wheel drive stuff, so if one of you know where there is an all-wheel drive for a decent price, drop in the comments, let me know. So if not, if we can't find all-wheel drive, we'll just have to suck it up and stay front-wheel drive. But I figured all-wheel drive might be the move. So you guys can let me know what you think. If we want to do K24 turbo all-wheel drive EP, I think that might be kind of cool. That's what I'm leaning towards, but that's if we can find the parts, because I know all-wheel drive parts are getting rare to find. So if not, we'll just stay front-wheel drive and we'll kill it. Because I figured with the last EP3, we did K20 turbo. So, and that was a very fun car. I love that. Loved it. You really didn't want to get rid of it, but traded it for my street bike over here. So that's gone now, but got a new one. And honestly, this is the better one. I think this shell is in way better condition than my last one. So I think this should come out pretty good, guys. Just kind of a little intro video just to look at it in the stock form. We're going to start ripping this engine out, getting everything ripped out. I know you guys don't care about taking stuff apart. All you guys care about is let's build it and let's see what it'll do. So this is kind of just a little intro video just to kind of show the car off, see what we did, and we'll go ahead and get to work. So next video, this thing will probably be stripped because I'm not keeping it here long. You know, we gotta get to rolling, especially it doesn't cost anything to take it apart. It only costs to build it. So let's go ahead and get this thing stripped apart. Let's go ahead and get to the roll. So next video, we'll see what we're up to. Later, guys.